Turning back now to the $250 million civil fraud trial of former President Trump, where Donald Trump Jr. is expected to testify today. The trial now on its morning break. So that means we can speak with MSNBC legal analyst Lisa Rubin, who's been inside the courtroom all morning. Lisa, what's been going on?
Jose, this morning we've been hearing from a guy named Michael McCarty, who's an investment banker historically, but has more recently made his living as an expert witness. And he is the sole expert witness being offered by the New York Attorney General's office. McCarty is their answer to what Trump's defense, the so what defense, I would call it. Trump has maintained that irrespective of whether or not his statements of financial condition contained falsities, it didn't matter because the banks still would have loaned him money at the same rates. They would have made back all of their money and nobody was injured. McCarty got on the stand today to explain that if Trump had been honest about his assets and liabilities, actually any reasonable bank would have charged him much higher interest. And as a result, the lenders to Trump lost hundreds of millions of dollars. McCarty talked about 3 properties and the corresponding loans in particular, and showed how he calculated the tens of millions of dollars that the lenders lost in each one in profits that they would have made had the interest rates been appropriately calibrated.
Hey, Lisa, how do you become an expert witness in the judicial system?
Well, you have to be qualified as an expert witness, and that's not just about where you were educated or what you did for a living. You literally have to be judicially qualified and show that you are an expert in the things that you will opine on in a courtroom. So we went through McCarty's credentials, starting from his educational background. He has an MBA from Wharton, where Trump himself famously was educated, all through his history as an investment banker and a loan officer, to today when he's the chairman and a CEO of a company called MM Dillon. At that point, the Attorney General's office asked that he be judicially qualified as a witness. Over the objections of the defense, he was indeed.